Today I'm going to be making something special for my chickens. It's called a flock block. And if you want, you could go online, you could Google a recipe for that. But some of the things that I'm going to include in my flock block are eggs, of course, their own eggs, coconut oil, raisins, cornmeal, their own feed, along with grain or scratch that they eat, old-fashioned oats, wheat germ, molasses, and I'm gonna include their eggshells in this as well. You could also add cranberries, you could add some other fruits. I might add in some ginger to mine as well because I have some ginger on hand. As you can see, you could probably add in some garlic and some other things that you know that your chickens like. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a flock block today and I'll let you know how it turns out. A cup of rolled oats. I've already added in the scratch. So let's see, we can pour this in here. It's a little harder with help, isn't it, Lila? But you're gonna be my helper. And if it's not perfect, it's okay, right? Okay, so a cup of oats. Let's see, what else does it say we need? A cup of cornmeal. Okay, so I don't spill it everywhere. If your finger's helping me, huh? Cup of cornmeal. There we go, that's good. Now we need 3/4 of a cup of wheat germ. And I've already put the cup into the bowl to help us get it without Lila's fingers. Okay. Let's see what else we need. Let's open this. I think it's a cup of raisins. Throw in raisins, Lila. Oh yes, I know you want to help me with this. We're going to put the molasses in. That's going to be pretty sticky, isn't it? 3/4 of a cup of this. Let's see. Oh, I'm making a mess already. This is fun. No, sticky fingers. 3/4 of a cup of this. I'm assuming this is going to help it all kind of stick together because this is some pretty sticky stuff. Lila, we're gonna make a mess. So I'm gonna set this down in the sink. That way it doesn't make a gooey mess. Ooh, this is fun. That's gonna be good. These birds are gonna love it. Okay, I'm gonna let that. Okay, now we've got the coconut oil. And then I just need to add some ginger and egg. Adding my chicken's eggs. They're gonna like having their eggs back. Then I'll crush up the eggshell and add it into this. Okay, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of ginger. Could not find my little grater, so I'm just using a potato peeler to grate in some ginger. They'll like this. Now we're gonna stir this together. And yes, I've still got to crush up my eggshells and then add those in. This is going to be fun to watch the chickens enjoy this nice flock block treat. Something different for them. Hey, we almost have this all stirred up. And I think I'm going to add another egg, just to make sure that it sticks together well. Okay, now I'm just gonna add this into my baking sheet, and then I'm gonna bake it on about 400 until it's golden brown. So we're gonna get this, so we're just gonna mash this into the little container, the baking sheet that I have here. I just use a little mini bunt one. So I have about 6 little bunts that I'll have for the flock block, and I think they're gonna really like this. So we're gonna finish mashing this in, and then we're gonna stick it in the oven. Okay, let's set our oven to 400. Okay, let's see, here we go. Set it to 400. There. Okay, so I'll let you see what it looks like when it comes.